Hello guys, welcome to Pipes Edit. Today I'm gonna show you how to create text animation in CapCut PC like this one.
Now, say my name. Heisenberg. You're goddamn right.
First, get your clip 3D and add new text. Me, I choose the integral font. Then go to the glow, add 25 intensity and 70 on range. Then add a black shadow with 295 opacity and 15 in distance. And don't worry about the text before the word, because we will cut it when we create a compound clip. Then add the expand out animation and put it for whole clip.
Same.
With the same way, copy the text.
Now.
After that, create a compound clip for each text. Now cut your compound clip before the text start open, like for one frame, and cut the text before the word it's gone.
Now. Now. Say my name. Now. Say my name.
Now add a mask with two keyframes, one at the beginning and the second one last third of the part of the clip. And follow me. And put the ease out keyframes between the two keyframes by clicking on Alt plus K. And now add the fade in for 0.2 second and the fade out animation for 0.2 second. And add the edge glow for the overlay only, which will indicate a compound clip in PC. And put it on 20. And finally copy the attribute of the first clip you edit and paste it on the second one, and don't forget to move the second keyframe of the mask. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching. If you like the video, subscribe and put like, and thanks.